Hi everyone, welcome back to another Elk Finance video tutorial. I'm LT Snake Plissken, and today we're going to talk a little bit about how to install the desktop version of MetaMask on your mobile device. Now, the reason we'd want to do this is because the mobile version of MetaMask is kind of buggy sometimes. It doesn't quite work like the desktop version, and honestly, I prefer this version a little bit better. So, before I get started, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Okay, let's get started. So I've got Android open here, so we're going to be using that to install it. The only difference really here, if you have an iPhone, is that you'll have to go to the App Store and install it. But here what we're going to do is we're going to download the Kiwi Browser. So you can see it come up here, the first one by Geometry OU. This is the one we're going to install. And the reason we're installing this is because it basically functions like a desktop version of Chrome, which allows you to install a desktop Chrome extension like MetaMask. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to wait for this to install, and then I'm going to open her up. Okay. Okay, so next what we're going to do is go to a web address, and we're just going to search for MetaMask Chrome Extension. Alright, that'll come up. We'll scroll down here a little bit. MetaMask Chrome Web Store, exactly. It'll come up here, and we'll hit Add to Chrome. It's going to ask you if you want to install the extension, and you're going to say OK. So next, that will load. Okay, there, it's loaded up. So it should open a new tab with the MetaMask prompts in it. Now, if it doesn't open this, you can simply go to the More over here and scroll down to the bottom, and you can see it's here as well. So if that window doesn't pop up, and anytime you need to open it, you have to go here. So we'll go ahead and get started. You'll notice when the first prompt comes up here, it's kind of cut off. That's because it's meant to take up the whole page, but it doesn't. So we're just going to create a new wallet, but over here is import wallet. So if you have a previous wallet, which you likely do, and you want to import it to MetaMask, put your seed phrase in over here and do that. So, but we're just going to go to create a new for the example here. And I'm going to come up with a password. Going to use a password 123. Please never use this password, it's terrible. And it's going to ask me to save my seed phrase, and since we're just doing this as an example, I'm going to hit remind me later, and we're going to go ahead and close that. Great, so now you've actually got a version of the desktop Chrome extension in on mobile, which is great. So it might be time to get started and add some chains. So you can head on over to the other tab, or I like to keep that MetaMask tab open at all times. And I'm going to head over to chainlist.org. I'm going to open that up, scroll down to hit Connect Wallet. It should open a prompt for you to connect, and you'd hit Next and Connect. But it's possible that it might not, in which case you'll have to go over here to More, and just hit MetaMask, and then it'll bring it up. And then usually when you get a prompt, you can refresh it if you don't get a prompt. Sorry. All right, so we'll just open that, and let's say we want to add AVAX. So we'll type that in, and then scroll down, and we'll add that to MetaMask. Going to throw an error here, chances are. Oh, yeah, there it is right there. So don't worry about that. That's if you click on it a couple times. So you're going to open those tabs and scroll back to MetaMask, give it a refresh. You're going to approve it, switch network, and we're good. We're on the Avalanche C chain. So you can do that for as many networks as you need to add, like Phantom, Hiko, Matic, or Polygon. and kind of whatever you need there. So, and don't forget to add BSC. So then when you head over to, let's say app.ilk.finance, we can, generally I like to switch to the desktop site mode. So I usually hit the more and hit desktop site. I find things look a little bit better. So whenever you want to connect your wallet to a DEX, whether it be Elk or something else, of course, connect wallet, MetaMask, it'll throw an error, but that's okay. We'll open up the tabs. We'll refresh MetaMask here. There it goes. And it asks you here to connect your wallet. So you'd hit connect, and great. Same thing goes for any transaction, actually. So let me navigate back here. Okay, so any transaction here that you'll need to make, you'll make it. If I wanted to buy some elk, let's say, with some AVAX, let's say I would do 1 AVAX to buy some elk, and I clicked click swap here, then it's gonna make me open my MetaMask tab here again and refresh it, and I would get the prompt then to approve the transaction or not. So that's the only pain here, is going back and forth between the tabs to refresh on MetaMask in order to get the prompt. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. It certainly causes a lot less glitches for me, and on my phone, I've stopped actually using the MetaMask Mobile app because this is much better. You'll notice my screen flashed a few times when I was switching tabs. That's because I'm running an SDK emulator version of Android on my computer, so that isn't something that happens on my mobile. But yeah, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks.